Visio is awesome, but there may be issues occurs time to time with user experience when it seems impossible to select a shape on your drawing. Luckily, there are two common reasons. First common reason is the shape is locked. I am clicking and I cannot seem to select any of my shapes. To fix this, I need to select layers, then click layer properties, and then under flow chart, uncheck the lock checkbox. Click on apply button, and now I can grab and move my objects. The other possibility is that the shape is protected. Now you need to keep in mind that this functionality is only available if you use the Developer tab. The first thing I need to do is enable the Developer tab so I can show you how to protect these shapes. The Developer tab can be found under File. Click on Options and select Advanced. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom. Under General, select Run in Developer Mode and click OK. You will now notice that we have a new tab Developer. I'm going to select an object from Diagram and then Protection. Then select options what you want to protect. It could be the width, the height, the format, or the text. For our example, we're going to select from Selection. I could also select everything from the available options. Now, this is a two-step process, as we can see here. That shape can still be selected unless we enable shapes from the Drawing Explorer Protect Document dialog box. And that is here. Pop up to Drawing Explorer, and then on the path, right-click and select Protect Document. In this case, I'm going to select Shapes, and OK, and I'm going to close the drawing window again. And you can't see it, but I am clicking like crazy on this object and I cannot select it. I can still select the other objects, but Refactored is not selectable. Those are two very simple fixes if you happen to run across a Visio drawing where you cannot select a shape. For additional Visio tips, tricks, and troubleshooting help, see the Visio support page.